Students, in today's science class, we are going to learn about the topic synthetic fibers and plastics. Natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are fibers obtained from plants and animals. Example, cotton, jute, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fibers are man-made or artificial fibers made by the processing of chemical substance, mainly petrochemicals. Example, nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Synthetic fibers. A synthetic fiber is chain of many small units joined together. Each small unit is a chemical substance. Many such small units join together to form a large single unit called a polymer. Types of synthetic fibers. There are different types of synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Rayon. Rayon is a synthetic fiber made by the chemical processing of wood pulp. Since rayon has properties similar to silk, it is also called artificial silk. It is cheaper than silk. It is used for making dress materials. It is mixed with cotton for making bed sheets, curtains, etc. It is mixed with wool for making carpets, mats, etc. Nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber made from coal, water and air. It is light, strong, elastic, lustrous and easy to wash. A nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. It is used for making dress material, curtains, socks, ropes, brushes, belts, bags, tents, parachutes, etc. Polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber made up of small units called ester. It is light, strong, elastic, easy to wash and does not wrinkle easily. It is used for making dress materials. It is mixed with cotton to get polycot. It is mixed with wool to get polywool. The two common polyesters are terylene and PET. Terylene is a polyester used for making dress materials. PET is a polyester used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, etc. Acrylic. Acrylic is a synthetic fiber which has properties similar to wool. It is cheaper than wool. It is used for making sweaters, shawls, blankets, etc. Characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are light, strong, elastic, durable, absorbs less water, dries fast, easy to maintain and is less expensive. The disadvantage of synthetic fiber is that they catch fire easily. The fabric melts and sticks to the body, so we should not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in a laboratory. Plastics. Plastics are synthetic materials. They are polymers like synthetic fibers. They are made up of a chain of many small units joined together to form a large single unit. Some plastics have linear arrangement of small units. Some plastics have cross-linked arrangement of small units. Linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement are given below. Plastics can be moduled into different shapes, rolled into thin sheets, made into wires, can given different colors and can be recycled. So it is used for making many articles. Types of plastics. Plastics are of two main types. They are thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics are plastics which can bend easily and soften on heating. Example, polythene, PVC, etc. Polythene is used for making toys, combs, containers, etc. PVC is used for making pipes, footwear, etc. Thermosetting plastics are plastics which do not end easily and do not soften on heating. Example, bakelite, melamine, etc. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches, handles of electric iron, pressure cookers, frying pans, etc. Melamine is resistant to fire and more resistant to heat than other plastics. It is used for making uniforms for firemen, floor tiles, kitchenware, etc. Plastics as materials of choice. Plastics are light, strong, durable and cheaper than metals, so they are used for making furniture, parts of vehicles, aircrafts, spacecrafts, etc. Plastics do not react with air, water and do not corrode, so they are used for making containers, for storing many kinds of materials and chemicals. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity, so they are used for making electric wires, switches, handles of utensil, kitchenware, floor tiles, fire-resistant fabrics, etc. Plastics and the environment. Biodegradable materials are materials which can be decomposed by microorganisms. Example, wood, paper, leather, etc. Non-biodegradable materials are materials which cannot be decomposed by microorganisms, example plastic, glass, metals, etc. Since plastics take several years to decompose, they are not environment friendly and causes pollution of water and soil. If plastics are burned, it releases poisonous gases which causes pollution of air. To reduce pollution caused by plastics, avoid use of plastics as far as possible. Use bags made of cotton or jute for shopping. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste should be collected and decomposed separately. Plastic waste should be recycled. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.